Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am starting a series, a small business series, literally filled with all small business resources to help you, as well as helping all small businesses by doing promo videos. Free promo videos. You send me products, I will post a YouTube review on them, and I also post on your websites, all that, even post on Instagram. So any products you guys have that you want me to do a review on, please go ahead and email me. My email will be at the bottom, and then you can also DM me. Okay, well, let's get into it because I'm super excited to open these nails. These nails came from a new small business called SUGARXSPICE NAILS, or SUGARXSPICE NAILS. I say sugar and spice because that's just what I think when it comes to my head. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but anyway, period. So she sent me these nails. She just launched her store on October 15th. It is an Etsy shop. If you guys want to check it out, I will put her Instagram, her Etsy shop, all that information on the screen and in the description box so you guys can check it out. Make sure you go follow. I'm just gonna open this up. Oh no. Sheesh. This is so cute. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and see what else we got in this bag. Ow. All right, so there are our nails. Put this in the trash. All right, so what comes with the nails, and I thank you for your support sticker. I love those stickers, y'all. Like, they are definitely a great investment of your time if you want to grab some for your business. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out is a sticker. I love stickers, y'all. I love stickers. If you make stickers, comment or just follow me on Instagram so I can purchase some of your stickers, because I love stickers and I love having stickers for my business to send out. So definitely, if you make stickers, let me know. Moving on, of course, you know, we have our wooden stick, wooden cuticle pusher. Push the cuticles back when you're doing your nails. You already know what time it is. Get that dirt from underneath your free edge, all that. So also comes with a alcohol pad and then some KDS glue. I'm trying to tell y'all, this KDS glue is magic, okay? All right, so then we have a mini file, and then we have a mini buffing block. I really loved, and this is such a cute bag because everything that, you know, I need to put back, like my glue, I can put it back in the bag. It's good for travel. I can literally put the buffer, the file, and one extra wipe, alcohol wipe, and the glue back in this bag and carry it just in case one pops off. So, a little side tip for you guys. So, we're gonna get into these nails. I thought we were. It won't open. No, okay. Oh my goodness. I cried. Okay. Oh my goodness. She did a personal little card. But y'all, like the handwritten note, girl, look, if you're watching this video, which I'm pretty sure you are gonna watch this video, I'm so thankful. Let's get into the set too, because I know y'all see the set. I wasn't even gonna talk about the set yet. We was gonna get into the set, but y'all already know. But anyway, she says, Camille, thank you so much for your kind words and support. Really hope you enjoyed this nail set. Looking forward to seeing what you will do next year. Girl, Ebony, thank you so much for this set. Like, I'm super excited. So let's get into it. So I'm also going to take these nails off and do a how to remove your press-on nails, as well as how to install them in the end of this video. So stay tuned if you need to see how to do that. Okay, so these are the nails. These are so freaking cute. Oh my goodness, I need to change my lighting. Y'all can't even really appreciate the set. Like, the lighting is awful. Of course, it's a spooky set. I said I wanted an XXL, like, spooky Halloween set, and she delivered. Like, I posted that just to post it on my Instagram, and she said, I know my assignment. Okay, period. So this is like the, you know, the front display set, and then these are the rest. She definitely slayed these. I am so ready to put these on, so let's not even waste no more time. Like, make sure y'all follow her. Look at this set. Like, this is so fire. And she hand painted all of this. Like, you guys see this? Like all of this is hand painted. When removing press-on nails, you want to start off with a hot bowl of water and soap, dish soap or hand soap or whatever soap you want to use. But I use Dawn, and then you're going to need cuticle oil. You're going to need a cuticle pusher or a wooden stick. I have one or the other. Okay, I'm just gonna use this wooden stick to help take it off. But all I really do is I take my cuticle oil. I got this off Amazon, the 𝐒𝐲𝐻 Milk and Honey cuticle oil. This is so good. Like, this is so good. I wish it was just a little bit more thicker, but it's okay. I like thick oils. I don't really like thin oils. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go across the top right here. It does not take much to get rid of press-on nails unless you really like prepared them to the T. You know, like hot water normally does the trick. So I'm just gonna put some on at the outside. I'm also gonna put some on the inside. Just depend. It really depends on your preference of how you want to remove them, but this works for me. Plus I use the KDS glue, and when the hot water and the hot water meets the glue, it starts to lift because all the elements of it is breaking down because of the water, the soap, and the cuticle oil. So I'm just gonna oops oopsie. All right, so I'm just gonna massage that end to the inside, the outside, just to really loosen that up. And some you're gonna be able to you know, pick it off rip, and if they've been on a while, they're gonna be easier to pop off because they're loose. But if you just put them on and they're super tight, it's not gonna work out for you. So once you do that, you can definitely take like this part, the like slanted side, and like pick at the sides, and you see like this one is lifting, but it's gonna hurt. So don't do that. Don't pick at it before it's too early. What you're gonna do is you're gonna submerge your fingers into that water 5 to 10 minutes, and then once you pick it up, you should be able to easily, I mean easily, slide those nails off. Okay, so these should be about good. So we're gonna try to do the same nail again, and we're just gonna, look at that, it popped off so easy. And if you do have stubborn nails like my thumb, all you do is you grab a little bit more cuticle oil. You rub that on there. Make sure you clean off your brush because you don't want any product contaminating your cuticle oil. You're gonna rub that back in, and you're gonna dip it back in the water. Now, the prep for your press-on nails is pretty much like your prep for a basic manicure or a dry manicure. So you're gonna need to buff the nail, file the nail, trim the natural nails underneath. I don't have any free edges. My nails are pretty trashed right now, so I'm not gonna do all that, but it's pretty much a basic manicure and then applying the nails. So I know people probably could push the cuticle back and all that, but I just had on nails, so I'm not about to do all that because my cuticle don't like me already. So we're gonna go and start off by buffing the nails. So once you're done buffing, the next thing that you want to do is go in, like I said, push the cuticles back, and then you want to file the nail if you need to file the nail. I really use this just in case I need to file the nail on the press-on nails or the file around the cuticle area if it does not fit my cuticle. But typically you don't have to do that because it's already done. Now that we're done, we're gonna go ahead and pull our nails out. I'm so excited. So, for my fingers, it really varies. It really varies because it's about comfort. It also depends on the press-on nails because they vary. That's why I try to tell people when they're like, hey, how do I go about sizing charts? Sizing charts are so specific because it's about which press-on nails you're using. Each nail has a different centimeter. So like this nail and like her nails and my nails, unless we go to the same person, probably not gonna be the same millimeter or centimeter. So you have to be very careful how you go about it. But so this is a 1, this is a 5, this is a 4, this is a 5, and this is like a 8. I like my pinky nail to be a little bigger. I don't like small pinky nails because they make my pinky look fat. So let's see. Please be an 8, please be an 8. Okay, so this is a 7. But it's a little higher than what I like. But it can still be pulled off. All right, my lovelies, these are the nails on me, okay, honey, and I'm loving how they look on me. All right, so I really do love these nails. I love the color, the hand painting, the style. These are really good quality. They're just gel polish. It doesn't have any acrylic, but they're really sturdy. Like, I love this. These are so amazing. Make sure you check out her Instagram. I have everything you need up here, the website, all that's gonna be in the description box. Make sure you guys go support her like you guys support me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.